Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, I am here. You are watching my channel English with Rajni Devi. Today in my video, I am going to share with you. Actually, first of all, I would like to tell you when we start speaking English. So that times I learned everything. But when it comes to speak English, so that time I couldn't speak English. Why? Actually, I have some reason because of which we can't speak English, and that reason is agitation and lack confidence, because of which we can't speak English. So today in my video, I am going to tell you how to improve our confidence and how to remove our agitation. Actually, when you start speaking English, so that time you learned everything related to speaking English. When it comes to speak English, so that time you can't speak English very well. Actually, this is a very big problem, and every learner have a complaint, because when we start speaking English, so that time I couldn't speak English. So today in my video, I am going to tell you how to remove our agitations. Actually, I feel agitation every time when we start speaking English, because I have lack practice, because of which we can't speak English. If you want to remove your agitation, you should have the practice more. Without practice, you can't speak English. You know very well, I am having the practice with you, so that's why I am here, and I want to be fluent in English. Because when we start speaking English in front of other people, so that time I stuck, because of which agitation and lack confidence. So that time I feel something like this time I speak with other person, I speak interact with other person. So that time, why can I speak English well? Because of which agitation and lack confidence. Okay, how to remove? Now it's question rise, how to remove our agitation. Actually, this is a one thing for improving English and remove the agitation. Please, more practice. Without practice you can't speak English, and when you have more practice, and automatically you will be speak English very well. Because that times, when you start speaking English, and automatically any words comes from your mind. you know I think this way is very good for improving English. And as without practice you can't speak English as well, you can't achieve anything. So practice is very necessary. And another option I have, when we start speaking English, so that times I get stuck, because I fear of speaking English, because I can't speak English. Because when we start speaking English, interact with other persons, so that times people are making the fun at me. So why? It's impossible. How to, how can we speak English well? But I want to fluent. Please, when you start speaking English, so that time, without hesitation, without thinking any person, please speak up and speak, and open your mouth. Okay, open your mouth and lots of speak up. So definitely you will be improved, and don't think about any person, what does people think about me. Okay, this is a your journey. You want to be fluent in English, so that's why you are learning English. Okay, if you, if you consider that you want to be fluent English, so why are you thinking something like this? What does people think about me? Avoid the people. Okay, people has work to say. Why are you thinking about people? Only try to speak English. Okay, you have to lots of practice. Without practice you can't achieve anything. And at least try to speak English. Okay, start speaking English. So without hesitation, without thinking other person, only try to speak English and interact with other person. So I believe definitely you will be improved. So that's why I am here, because I am having the practice, as I want to remove our hesitation, and want to increase my confidence, because even I have lack confidence. So that's why I am creating the video in front of you, because I have this problem, I am suffering this problem. So please avoid this thing, and I want to remove these things as a hesitation and lack confidence. Actually, when we start, because I use one application, then applications you start using, so that time I speak very well. But when it comes to speak with other persons, so that time I stuck. Why? Because all the time I think something like this: people are making the fun, people make the fun about my English and about me. All the time I think something like this. Okay, I try to speak English with other person a lot time, but when it comes to speak English, so that time I couldn't speak English, because of hesitation and lack confidence, because I have lots of hesitation and lack confidence. I want to be fluent in English. I want to be perfect in English. I know when I be perfect in English, so that time people will appreciate me. I know very well. But this time is very difficult time. Okay. It's very difficult time to achieve my goal, to learn English. I can't, but I believe, okay, I will do learn English. I will learn English definitely, and I can do it. And I will try to speak English with other person. But first of all, I don't feel hesitation. I don't feel like this, because I don't have more much confidence. So that's why I will speak as a child, without hesitation, without underconfidence. Child speak very well, without hesitation, without thinking any person, without thinking any person. What does think about me? What what does people think about me? Exactly the same thing I will apply, and definitely I will be improved, and you also will be improved. But you have to lots of practice, so that's why you will be definitely improved. Okay. Please believe on yourself, trust on yourself, definitely you will be improved. Okay, so in the end I would like to tell you, if you like my video, so please do subscribe, like, share and comment my video. Actually, your comment and your like is very important for me. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.